Now, some things emit light, and a great example of something that emits light is, of course, our sun. Another great example of something which emits light, I've got some above me here, is a light globe in your house. So these objects which emit their own light, they're called luminous. But of course, most things like me and you and the table and chairs and walls, they are non-luminous, so they don't emit their own light. So most things really are non-luminous. I mean, you've got the sun and lights and fire, those kind of things emit light, they're luminous. Most things are non-luminous, but there can actually be different types of non-luminous things. For example, you can have some materials which don't emit light, they're non-luminous. Some of them are transparent. So, for example, you can get transparent canoes, you can get transparent fishes' heads, which is pretty amazing. You can see the organs kind of there. Another animal here is a frog, which has got this transparent section of its body. And this is a little baby eel, and it's like basically totally transparent. And transparent means that light travels through it. So these are non-luminous, but light travels through them. Another example is another material you can get is something which is translucent. So often you have translucent glass in your shower or the windows in your bathroom. So this is light can travel through something which is translucent, but the light is scattered and bent as it travels through, and so you can't see it. There is a hand behind here, but you can't really see it because translucent materials scatter the light as it passes through, and so you can't see a clear image behind something which is translucent. And then, of course, most things that you'll ever encounter really are opaque. So this is a dice that's opaque, but of course I'm opaque. You can't kind of see through me. Opaque means you can't see through it. Tables are opaque. Trees are opaque. Most things you can't see through them. Some things are translucent. You can see through them, but light is scattered. Lots of things are transparent, like windows and canoes and some fish, some heads of fish and eels. So the light travels through it. And then, of course, some things are luminous, which means they emit their own light, but most things are non-luminous, so they don't emit their own light. They, in fact, just reflect the light, and that's how you can see them.